In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create free business emails using Zoho Mail. We'll walk you through this step-by-step process to make sure you can set up your business email quickly and without any hassle. Whether you're an entrepreneur or running a small company, having a professional email setup is crucial to build credibility and maintain efficient communication. First, open your web browser and visit the Zoho Mail website. If you're new to Zoho, you'll find that it's a versatile and popular choice for both personal and professional email management needs. At the home page, look for the option to start the sign-up process. You'll see a variety of options listed, but for our purposes, focus on the business email solutions. Once you're there, click on the checkbox that says Business Email. This step is crucial as it ensures you're on the right track to setting up an email that's tailor-made for business purposes, which includes a professional domain and special features that are not readily available with free personal email options. Now, type in your name. Make sure to use your real name or the name you want associated with your business. This name will appear when people receive emails from you, so it's important it reflects your professional identity. Next, you'll need to enter either your existing email address or your phone number. This information is vital for setting up your account and for receiving any important notifications or verification codes from Zoho. After that, it's time to create a strong password. Choose a password that meets complexity requirements, typically a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Your email security is important, so make sure the password is something only you know and is difficult for others to guess. Before you proceed, make sure to read through and understand the terms of service by Zoho. It's important to know what you're agreeing to, especially when using a product in a professional setting. Once you've done that, click on the checkbox to accept the terms. Lastly, find and click on the Sign Up button to complete your registration process with Zoho Mail. And that's it. You've successfully set up your very own free business email with Zoho Mail. It's really that simple. Having this professional email address will allow you to communicate with your clients and colleagues more effectively, ensuring that your business image is polished and trustworthy. Remember, setting up a business email is just the first step in creating a strong online presence for your enterprise. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial.